Hello guys, we have been a 2021 GMC. The problem of the car is whenever I'm turning it off, the car is in the parking. I'm trying to switch it off. The car will say that shift to park, and the accessory mode is on. And I'm trying to switch it off, but it's not turning off, so this is the problem. Let's see. Let's check it by computer and let's see if there is any fault codes or anything we can find. Let's see what are the fault codes, so on that we will work. It's a 6-speed automatic transmission, so let's check the whole car. Let's scan the complete units. So there's no fault in the engine, there's no fault in the transmission. There is one fault in the EBCM and ABS. So let's see if there's anything else we can find. Still it is scanning. Is the scanning complete? Let's see if there is anything we can find. Well, it is only saying that the rear brake pad wear signal, control module. Before this, I have checked the car. It was giving me the error of B000 A, which is for the park sensor, and the code was in the body control module. So let's see if we can find out the body control module is working properly or not. So let's see the fault codes in the body control. There is no fault code. So let me check the live data. Let's see the live data. Chassis control module. So this is the switch for the park. It is in park switch status. Let me move the lever out of park. So this is not working. It is not giving any indication to the body control module. It should be, if you move the lever to the reverse, neutral, or any to drive, it should be on. Or if you put it in the park, it should be on sometime. But now in parking it's off, and also in reverse it's off, neutral is off, DN it's off. Or it should be on in parking. So that is a problem. Let me switch it off, and still the park message is there. So let's check the wiring first. Now the switch is off. See the status. Now in the parking it's just saying on. So this is the problem. Let's redo it. If I put it in the reverse or in the drive, the in park switch state is going to off, but still in the parking it is not giving the proper signal when it's in the park. So the car is going to off, the switch is going to off. But when it's not showing off, when it is showing off in the parking, it means that the signal, the BCM is not getting the proper signal from the lever. So we are going to check first the wiring. Maybe the problem is with the wiring, or maybe the problem is with the cable adjustment. So let's see. Let's check it again. See, now this thing is off, and I'm getting a message of shift to park. So the problem is that either the BCM or maybe the shift lever assembly is faulty, or maybe the problem is with the wiring. So first we will start working on the wiring. If the wiring is okay, so then we'll have to check the BCM, or maybe the shift lever itself is faulty. We need to open the steering upper and lower cover, and here is the sensor located. This is the sensor which will give the signal, the park, neutral and drive signal through the engine to the body control module. So I think this sensor is faulty. So what we are going to do, either if you want to replace the sensor, you can replace the sensor, or either you need to if you want to bypass the sensor, so you just need these two wires, the green and white and the black, and the other one is for the actuator lock. So we are going to bypass these two, so it will give the signal to the car that the car is in the parking. Or either if you want to replace the sensor, it's also better, but for the time being we don't have a time, so we are going to bypass the sensor. This is the sensor, you can see clearly. Okay, this is the sensor which will give the signal, on-off signal to the BCM. So let's check. Let's start the car. The car is not started. Put in the reverse.